Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen vlog. Today, I'm unboxing something every home needs. Let's check out the Crystala Filters Water Filter. This is the replacement for GE XWFE with a built-in chip. First impression, the packaging looks super sturdy and clean. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's the filter itself, sleek, compact, and well-labeled. I love that it comes with clear instructions right on the box. Now, let's talk about what makes this filter special. It's tested and verified by independent labs for safety. The big claim, removes 97.9% of chlorine, odor, and bad tastes. That means cleaner, fresher tasting water for your family. Let's check the compatibility list on the box. Fits a ton of GE refrigerator models. Super versatile. If you have a GE XWFE or XWF, you're covered. Now, let's actually install it in my fridge. No tools needed, just twist and lock into place. It fits perfectly, no leaks, no fuss. I always worry about leaks, but this feels secure. Let's run some water through and do a taste test. First glass looks crystal clear, no cloudiness. Smell test, no chemical or musty odors at all. Taste test, wow, that's really fresh and clean. Honestly, I notice a huge difference from before. No weird aftertaste, just pure water flavor. Let's talk about the tech behind this filter. It's certified under ANSI 42 standard. You can even check the certification online, model CF9N. That's real peace of mind for health-conscious folks. Plus, it's independently tested, not just company claims. The built-in chip means it works with smart fridges, too. No annoying error messages or compatibility issues. And it lasts up to 6 months or 200 gallons. Set a reminder and swap it out twice a year. Let's recap the main features one more time. Removes almost 98% of chlorine, odors, and bad tastes. Gives you clean, fresh-tasting water every single day. Fits a wide range of GE refrigerators. Super easy, tool-free installation. No plumber needed. Leak-proof fit for total confidence. I love how simple and stress-free this process is. No more worrying about what's in my drinking water. If you value clean water, this is a must-have. Perfect for families, homeowners, or anyone with a GE fridge. It's also a great option for health-conscious people. Why settle for tap water with weird tastes or overpriced filters that don't fit right? Crystala Filters offers quality at a reasonable price. Just remember, this isn't made by GE. It's an independent brand. But honestly, it works just as well as the original. I'm genuinely impressed with the performance so far. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely, yes. If you want better water, definitely give this a try. Check the link in my description for more details. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.